Hi Mrs Jones, I'm Catherine and I'm the vet that's been treating Millie. First I'm going to talk to you about the tests we ran, then her diagnosis and finally the treatment that we're going to do for her. When we looked at her blood we could see an increased number of a type of white blood cell known as eosinophils, and they are known to act on the parasites in the body. When we looked at our x-rays we could see on our lungs there was a pattern of small bright areas. So we did a fecal test, and on the fecal test we could see there was a type of lungworm present known as Alostrongylus abscessus. This is a type of roundworm cats can pick up from eating birds, rodents, slugs, which all carry an immature form of the worm. When the cat eats these animals, the immature worm passes into the bloodstream and then into the lungs. And they form the immature worms, they're in a sort of like cyst-like pocket, and this is what we were seeing on the x-rays. When these worms hatch out of their pockets to become adults, they move deeper into the lungs, into the lung branches and the bronchioles. This is what's been causing Millie to cough and wheeze, and when she's been coughing up the worms and swallowing them again, and this is why we could see them in the faeces. We could give Millie steroids for this, and this would treat the symptoms of coughing and wheezing, but it's not going to solve the problem of killing the parasite, and that's what we need to do. I'm going to give her a drug called fenbendazole, and this acts by preventing the worm's cells producing microtubulin, and microtubulin is required for the cell's survival and replication. So if we prevent that being formed, then we kill the worms. It comes as an oral paste, and the dose is 50 mg per kilogram. So I would like you to give her 2 mils on her food, or either straight after food, once a day for 3 consecutive days. Potential side effects are her being sick and diarrhea. It's quite rare that this happens, but you should still be aware of it. It's also important that you wash your hands after you give her the medication. The cost of the drug is £18. And if you don't have any further questions, I would like to see her in 1 week to assess her coughing again. Thank you.